Whirlpool 265 liters 3-star frost-free double-door refrigerator. When it comes to your family, you do everything to ensure that what they get is absolutely fresh and healthy. In this endeavor to put the controls of freshness in your hands, Whirlpool NeoFresh refrigerators comes with advanced 6 Sense deep freeze technology and unique fresh flow air system. Available in Galaxy steel finish, this new 265-liter Whirlpool double-door refrigerator is a great combination of compelling features and latest technology. The 6 Sense deep freeze technology creates a circular motion of cold air inside the fridge so that the air remains inside when you open the refrigerator door and maintains the coldest temperature, keeping your ice cream fresh and crystal-free. This refrigerator maintains a uniform temperature across the space inside the fridge with its fresh flow flexi vents to keep your food fresher and healthier. The antibacterial filters in the vents provide a germ-free environment inside the refrigerator. The refrigerator also provides up to 3 times better cooling retention during power cuts with its chilling gel feature. An active deo feature controls the odor inside the refrigerator for a fresh and odor-free air circulation, leaving the food fresher and odor-free. This refrigerator comes with 3 separate compartments to store your vegetables, fruits and ice. The micro-block feature in each of the 3 compartments prevents your vegetables, fruits and ice from up to 99.9% of bacterial growth for the lifetime of the product. A stabilizer-free operation prevents the refrigerator from voltage fluctuations during power cuts or in case of irregular flow of power. A 7 days garden fresh vegetable crisper compartment keeps your vegetables fresh and healthy for up to 7 days. The freshenizer in the refrigerator reduces oxidation to maintain the original freshness of your food and vegetables. This product comes with a 1-year warranty on product and a 10-year warranty on compressor. Visit the product details page for attractive offers like no-cost EMI and exchange offers.